Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to describe your face part 2. So let's start with eyebrows, брови, eyebrows, брови, eyebrow, бровь, eyebrow, бровь, eyelashes, ресницы, eyelashes, ресницы, and an eyelash, ресница. I would say we also call it like ресничка because it's so small. We say ресничка. Mustache, it's усы, усы. Beard, борода, борода. Neck, шея. Lips, губы, lip, губа. Chin, подбородок, подбородок, подбородок. Why it's подбородок? Because this is a beard and our chin is under the beard. So it's под бородой. Beard, борода. So it's подбородок. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you want to know something else about our body, let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.